Good evening, guys, and welcome back to Project 650. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are changing the oil in Lexus GX 460. It's a pretty simple process. You have to take the plastic protection up front so you can take the skid plate off, and with them little hinges up front, she can be a pain in the ass. Underneath, your oil filter is located here. Actually, this is just a cap. Underneath is a housing and has a filter cartridge. A little bit further down, just removing this little trap door, you can access the 14mm drain plug. It's located right there. All drainage there, filter cartridge here. Sounds simple enough, right? Oh God, if you have a lift, this would be super easy, but crawling underneath, and we are just about to pop this sucker. There you go. Oh crap. We did clean up the spill. That's what happens when you don't have proper bucket. This bucket is too low, and that's a lot of oils. Almost 9 quarts. But anyway, that's cleaned. Now for a filter, you have to use one of these special tools. Pretty cheap on Amazon, eBay, you name it. Some better than others, of course, like everything else. I picked this one up, I think, for like 10 bucks. Most important thing, to have this little groove, because it is the only way this fits on the cap. So let's see what we got. Filter cartridge is in, oil is in. Do not overfill. It's better to have a little bit less oil than overfill. After you're done, of course, you gotta use a tool. First, hand tie this so you don't skip the groove, and then use a tool. Do not over tighten. Trust me, if you do, you can be in big trouble. And of course, make sure that you tighten up the drain plug. Pretty much, that's all she wrote. Now, let me explain something here. You can actually use ratchet, which is wrench key, which is a 26, or you can use something like this. This is 27mm. I did not have a 26, so I had a little small play. As you can see, I did not want to strip the tool, so I used a set of these. Worked like a charm because it was not over tightened, and that's about it. So now we're gonna go up and we will change the air filter. Of course, you got snow. You got 4 of these puppies. One is deep there. Pop him. This one too. I'm gonna try to locate you guys somewhere. I don't know if that's gonna work. There you go. You'll be sitting there. You're gonna use the STP filter SA10 A35. God, it's hot. Today is super hot. Alright. This is a filter, brand spanking new. We're gonna dig out the old one. Yikes. The difference? Wow. That goes inside. Let's check the box. Make sure you don't have a big debris or anything sticking up. Nope, looks clear. We're gonna pop them in. Tap it, make sure it fits. Click on back those. That's it. That's the air filter. And we got interior or cabin filter. We're gonna change that too. I picked up also SDP part number CAF1816P. So let's get to this one. Leaves, we don't need them. Get all the crap. Mask, Tic Tacs, drag, 2 little latches, pull them down, try simultaneously, easy with 2 hands. Once you do that, pull it up, then you got another little, almost like a little trap door. Try to get to it. That's why you need 2 hands. There you go. That's out, and just pull the filter up. Ooh, look at that. A bunch of leaves and crap. Install the new one. This one comes with these directions and instructions. Looks the same to me. Pop them back in. Reinstall a little door. Should snap in. And then another little door. And that's it. So that sucker is down. Next step, put all your junk in. Tic Tacs for a fresh breath. Box. Mask, that's the world we're living in. Socks. That's it. That concludes oil change, cabin filter, air filter, oil filter on the Lexus GX 460. Florida, temperature 120 degrees. I am soaked. Clean up your mess, and that's it. Guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for sharing your time with me. Please be safe, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye bye.